Listen, a couple of things that I see are what I would call the big three in capacity planning. One is the wrong people doing it. The second one is the wrong places to do capacity planning. And the third might be, I don't know if it's called process or particulars, and I'll walk you through kind of the examples. The first one is the people. So a lot of times this is an afterthought, and the people are the administrative people with this is one of 10 things they do and it's thrown in at the end. They're not really capacity planning specialists, don't know how to do it, which then leads to the second one, places. Most people do capacity planning at the storage device level when there's actually several other levels that are critically important. So if I'm storage arrays, I need pools to plan for and or groups of devices which might all be the same, being used to serve the same application. And then the last piece is the particulars or the process. And what I mean by that is, do you know how to do forecasting? And do you factor in things like data reduction? So a lot of customers just track their usage over time. They don't realize their array's capacity might be changing over time based on data reduction. And if you don't factor both in, you can end up with surprise events. So we do both of those kinds of things, and our forecasting model is built on the most current month, or the most current 6 months, weighted more heavily with most current. Now what does that mean to a customer? Usually the most current months are most representative of the future. If I take a full year's worth of data and do capacity planning, all of a sudden I may project a much bigger number because of early growth rather than most current growth. So we have all those things factored into VSI, and even better than that, we do it all automatically for you so that we actually deliver a product that tells you when you need it in advance of when you actually have to purchase it. So you can get the lowest price product, you can plan for it accordingly, and all those things.